scared. Whoa, that was not cool. I would have got T-boned. That's funny. Oh, like funny in a morbid kind of way. And ladies and gentlemen, we'll pick the vlog back up on the other side now that we are in sweet, succulent New Jersey. Actually, no, we're not in sweet, succulent New Jersey yet. Yeah, we are. There it is. There was a traffic jam in the goddamn tunnel for like 5-7 minutes for no reason. I don't know why, because right about now we're about to start cooking it. It's gonna be beautiful. Terrible turn. For some reason I was very concerned with those metal bits. What are you guys doing? The highway is wide open. Little savage move, but I had to get ahead. No reason for, you know, for people to drive that slow. And there's a Potholes right here. I saw him by the flashing lights. I don't need to actually see him. It's totally fine, I believe it. Waze told me. Waze did tell me. So all these cool topics I wanted to discuss about bikes and other things, and it's just sometimes when I'm riding, because it's like it's hard to have a fun ride and be on topic at the same time, you know what I mean? It's not as easy. But I do want to have a discussion about new bikes. I don't know, one of these days I'll have to get a new bike. Maybe sooner, maybe later. You know what I mean? It's gonna happen. So I want to have that discussion now before it's go time. You know what I mean? Before it's go time. Kind of stuck behind this slow little car for a second, and that's okay. All right, even though this used to be such a, well, actually no, not this one. This turn was never sweet. And this is why I layered up for this section, because I knew on the highway it would be a different story. But even then, still cooking on a highway right now, what a glorious situation. What a beautiful, beautiful, glorious situation. Night, New Jersey. As long as there's no pow. I mean, I'm not going that fast, am I? I don't think so. I think we're okay. I think we're alright. Look at this Ford Raptor doing its dang. It's a nice car. No, it's not a Raptor, it's F-150. Never mind. My bad. I just insulted the mighty Raptor. The bike is right away cooling down. It was up to 245 in the tunnel. But I was also kind of keeping it in high revs for no fucking reason. No reason at all. helmet is making some weird noise. I can't tell what it is. Like a crackling noise. I need a new helmet. Truth be told. Truth, but nothing but the truth be told. I need a new helmet. I think it's time. Look at this beautiful complex, this mall. It's huge! American dream. Look at it, it's massive. This whole complex, madness. Look at that, there's a roller coaster inside. That place is open, I believe. Crazy. I need to go there one of these days. See what the hype is about. This Jeep is dipping out. Ooh, why? What's the problem? What the hell was that about, you fucking weirdo? You alright there, buddy? Swerving. So yeah, see, now I'm happy. Now I'm ever so happy that I wore all these layers. Ever so happy. That was a Raptor. And we got a Potholes coming up. Might have to slow down just a tad. My headlight, look at that shit, that's fucking bright. Bright as fuck. Bright as fudge. Might as well dip out like this. And there's a cop somewhere over here. So we'll just figure it out as we pull up to him. Pull up to this pole and be like, yo. Yeah. Quick little sprint. If Manhattan wasn't such a bitch and if there wasn't so much traffic that I had to battle, this would be even quicker. You know what I mean? As it stands now, if you're willing to battle Manhattan, then, you know, then you're gonna be alright. Otherwise, you're gonna be all left. Where the pole at? Where the pole at? Back there? Over here? Who knows? Nobody knows. That looks like a pole tail light situation, but I don't think that's a pole. Could be. Can't tell the color. That's a problem with riding in the dark. It's hard to tell colors of cars. But I know that at 1.2 miles we gotta dip off. Yeah, it's a red car. There ain't no cop. There we go. We'll dip off to the right in a second here. So used to wearing my earplugs too. Got used to them kind of over the last couple months. So, alright, let's slow down a little bit because we are cooking it with entirely too much butter. This one right here, is this the exit? Could it be? No, not this exit. Next exit, which is going to be just as fucked. Look at that madness. Alright. Well, thank you all of you for coming to New Jersey with me. Look at the sky. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful little situation. all track or whatever, cross track. Come on. Don't be scared. Whoa, that was not cool. I would have got T-boned. That's funny. Oh, like funny in a morbid kind of way. There we go. I don't know where the hell we are. I forgot how you go to Mike's. It's always a fucking mystery. Nobody knows how to go to Mike's. You know what I mean? There we go. Come on there, little Volkswagen. You could do it. Now, we're about to take a right. Right. Whoa, big pothole. I would have swerved around that bitch. That's why I don't like riding at night. Even with the glorious Motodemic, I still can't see anything. Still can't see a damn thing. And it's okay. We're not going to get too upset now, because we're half a mile away from our destination. You could practically walk here, there, everywhere. Yeah. You think these folks will move eventually? Yeah, I think so. Slow down for the turn. You don't want to see that guy risked too much. He went too fast around that turn and he could have lost control. Not worth it. It's not worth it. You know what I mean? Now we'll take a right, and that's pretty much it. Little right, little left. No, actually, we're gonna go straight. It's totally okay. Because I was gonna go the other way. I usually go the other way, but decided to come from the back this time. How about that? Look at all these cars going through. Come on, baby. Okay, we're here.